Top 5 Action Cameras in 2025. Welcome to our video showcasing the top 5 action cameras of 2025. Whether you're capturing high-speed sports, stunning landscapes, or underwater adventures, the best action cameras are designed to be durable, compact, and deliver top-notch image quality. Choosing the right one comes down to key features like video resolution, stabilization, and waterproofing. With so many options available, finding the perfect action camera can feel overwhelming, but we're here to make it easy. Each camera on our list was carefully selected based on positive reviews, standout features, and real-world performance. Don't forget to check the description below for links and additional details on each model. Let's get started. Starting with GoPro Max. While it's not a new release, it's still one of the most popular and reliable 360 cameras on the market, and for a good reason. The GoPro Max uses 2 lenses to shoot in full 360 degrees, letting you shoot first, frame later, which is perfect if you're looking to capture immersive content without worrying about angles. It also boasts 6-mic audio, giving you incredible sound quality to match the visual experience. You can switch between 360 mode and traditional hero mode, making it flexible for all sorts of filming styles. Plus, with GoPro's Max Hypersmooth stabilization, you'll get buttery smooth footage, even if you're capturing intense action shots. For anyone who wants flexibility and immersive content, the GoPro Max is a great option, giving you the best of both traditional and 360-degree video. Next up, we have Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This one is a beast in terms of performance and has some seriously cool upgrades. The Ace Pro 2 comes with an impressive 8K video capability at 30 frames per second and captures stunning 50-megapixel still photos. What's unique about this camera is its larger 180-degree flip-up screen, which makes it easy to see what you're capturing, even in selfie mode. It's designed for creators who need a versatile camera that can handle high-quality video and photos. So, if you're a vlogger or content creator who's always on the move and needs both stellar video and photography capabilities, this could be the perfect camera for you. If top-notch image quality and versatility are high on your list, then the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has got you covered. Now, if you're into 360-degree shots and like the flexibility of reframing your footage after filming, then our third pick, the Insta360 X4, is the one for you. The Insta360 X4 is an 8K 360-degree camera, which means you can capture everything around you and decide later which angles you want to highlight. It's like having multiple cameras rolled into one. The 8K resolution ensures sharp footage, so you won't be losing any detail even when you crop or zoom in during editing. Plus, the X4 comes with Insta360's flow state stabilization technology. This is one of the best stabilization features in the market, so your footage will be smooth, even if you're running or biking through rough terrain. So if you want a camera that captures every angle and lets you reframe the action, the Insta360 X4 is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 2 is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. DJI has seriously stepped up their game with this one, and it's an awesome choice if you're looking for crisp, cinematic quality in a compact package. This camera features a higher resolution sensor than its predecessors, which allows it to capture amazing 4K video, even in challenging lighting conditions. DJI has also integrated a new image stabilization technology called Rocksteady 3.0 that's insanely smooth, making it ideal for shooting on the go. Not to mention, the battery life has improved significantly. You're looking at over 2 hours of 4K footage at 60 frames per second, which is incredible. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is perfect for creators who don't want to worry about running out of power mid-adventure. So if you're someone who needs smooth, stable shots and high-quality visuals, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is definitely worth a look. Finally, number 1 off our list is the powerhouse that's almost synonymous with action cameras, GoPro. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the latest flagship model from GoPro, and it's everything you'd want in an action camera and more. With a resolution of 5.3K at 60 frames per second, this camera lets you capture stunningly detailed video, even when the action is super fast. And for the hardcore GoPro fans, this model comes with new lens mods that allow you to get creative with ultra-wide shots, and even offers a new Linear Plus Horizon Lock mode to to ensure your shots stay level, no matter how intense things get. But it's not just about the visuals. GoPro has also improved battery life on the Hero 13 Black, meaning you'll get more recording time to capture all your action-packed moments. The camera is still waterproof up to 33 feet, and with a more rugged build, it's designed to handle even the toughest adventures. So, if you're looking for a tried-and-true action camera that's packed with features and reliable, the GoPro Hero 13 Black might just be the camera for you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which action camera you're most excited about. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and gear reviews coming up. Thanks for watching, and as always, capture every moment.